What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Jayda Jonét, and I'm back with another video. And as you already see by the title, today we have another video. This video is sponsored by WestKissHair. This is one of my favorite hair companies ever, and today I'm just going to show you guys how I installed this wig. Now, like I've said, I'm getting more out of the wig install phase and more so just promoting wigs and demoing the wigs, because I feel like wig tutorials can get pretty repetitive, and like I've said, I'm trying to do less and less, slowly but surely, less hair reviews and more regular content, real shit. But WestKiss is a brand that I will always stand by. WestKiss is one of my favorite hair brands. They have really quality hair and really quality lace. They have super duper long wigs and super duper thin lace, and I just love their company as a whole. I've never gotten a wig that I didn't like, whether it was blonde, whether it was curly, straight, wavy, whatever. Today I do have a 36-inch loose deep wave textured wig, and this is one of my favorite textures from them because it's just perfect. Like, it's literally just chef kiss bomb. So I decided to make this be my actual birthday wig, and I just installed it when I was in Miami. Y'all pretty much know how my installations go. Lately I've been doing the arrogant Tay method, which is gluing the cap with gluing the cap down with Ghost Bond, and I feel like that keeps my cap down longer and it is more efficient. So here I'm gonna go ahead and glue on the wig, and like I said, I have zero complaints about them, never have, and I don't think I will ever see any. I send all my people to WestKiss anytime they say where I need to get a wig from. I'm literally like WestKiss. So love them, love their hair. And yeah, they made me look bomb on my birthday. But yeah, this is a simple, little, do my hair with me. I'm gonna link some actual full-blown tutorials down below so you guys can see. I'm going to be doing a review very soon where I actually install a used wig, because I know how to do it now. So I'm gonna be doing that really soon, before I completely give up on like wig tutorials completely, because I might do one here and there, but it's more so just gonna be like review videos, and not so detailed, if that makes sense, and less. So I'm just installing this wig. It's so long and it's so gorgeous and so soft, and I have zero complaints, y'all, seriously. Feel free to ask me any questions down below in the comments that you do have about wig installs or wigs in general. I will most definitely answer your questions if you have any. But yeah, this is pretty straightforward. I just glued it down. I used about 2 or 3 layers, did a little slight baby hairs. I did slightly over pluck, but I mean, that's easily resolved. I go in with a little permanent marker or a little gray stick, and I can disguise that most of the time. So elastic band is your best friend when you're installing a wig, because it's gonna melt that wig into your skin and make it look like a scalp. So I would highly recommend y'all invest into a really good elastic band. But yeah, besides that, I don't really have anything to say. I'll come see y'all at the end of this video. All the links to this hair will be in the description box below. And yeah, let's vibe out. Once again, major shout out to WestKissHair for sponsoring this video. I literally didn't have to use any product really, maybe just a curl cream and water, and it was perfect how I wanted it. So yeah, shop. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next videos. Love you guys, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. The week changed for me. It may be 5 a.m., but baby, one thing about it, I'm gonna slay. So I'm finished. So I'm slight. I think this is really the one. This is the one. Seriously. It's always the black for me. Always. I'm waking up a whole new person. Cause baby, I'm 20.